Why brand on Amazon? You probably haven't heard of branding on Amazon as being a critical aspect of making sales. After all, don't people just buy the cheapest item with the most good reviews? Well, what if I told you that if you are a small-scale seller or you want to become one, the most important thing you can do to make as much money as possible on Amazon right now is to build your own strong brand. Sure, pricing and reviews are very important, but every seller knows that, and almost every single one has both already optimized. But the power of branding is still largely ignored, and that it will only keep becoming more and more important as time passes. In this lesson, we're going to explore why creating a strong brand can not only increase your sales, but will most likely make the difference between you being squeezed out of business and making enough money to live a comfortable life from your Amazon sales alone. Now, I'm not one of these gurus promising you millions of dollars in one secret hack. Anyone with a brain will know that making a good living takes hard work and dedication. But it also requires being good at understanding how a successful business works. And this is exactly what I aim to provide with my courses, articles, and videos. First of all, as more and more sellers join any market, there is a natural increase in competition. This makes sense. I mean, imagine you're on a sunny beach in the middle of summer and you want to buy an ice cream. If there's only one seller, that ice cream seller is almost guaranteed to get a sale. However, if there are 2 or 3 sellers, you can be sure that at least 2 of them will not make a sale from you. That's logical, right? This means that every seller is going to have to appear more appealing than the others in order to get you to buy the ice cream from them, which can be through offering more value or, more commonly, offering a cheaper price. This is particularly true for Amazon. As more sellers enter the market looking to get a share of the pie, there's going to be more and more pressure on each one to reduce their prices to the point where the profit margins get so thin that it's not even worth selling anymore. Can your business offer the cheapest price? If you're a small-scale seller who wants to earn a decent income, most likely not. Why? Because you're not going to benefit from the same cost savings as big businesses do. They can accept thinner margins because they are established and they benefit from economies of scale. Having a strong brand means that you can more easily escape these price wars as you differentiate yourself from other sellers and offer some unique value that's communicated through your very own brand. Basically, you're no longer trying to offer the same thing as all the other sellers. You make yourself different, which means that you get to have a lot more power over the price and, as such, the margins that you make. Your ice creams are not the same as all other ice cream sellers, and that's why you can ask for a price that's going to give you the income that you desire. Secondly, there is a growing trend for brands that align with the consumer's values and beliefs rather than just providing what's on the tin. A large survey conducted by the renowned consulting company Accenture found that today, 62% of customers have their purchasing decisions heavily dependent on how ethical and authentic a brand is, and 74% want more transparency about how a company sources their products, their content, and how they have them produced. Kevin Quiring, managing director at Accenture Strategy, states that in this era of radical transparency, consumers are voicing their opinions, values, and beliefs, scrutinizing the actions of organizations and their leadership and holding them accountable. They can see through inauthenticity and won't tolerate it. Consumers' voices can change the financial trajectory of companies. They are more than just buyers. They are active stakeholders who are investing their time and attention and want to feel a sense of shared purpose. The winners in this era will not be passive bystanders. Generic products sold on Amazon without clear branding cannot leverage this growing trend, as all they do is sell a product and list their features. Sure, they might write that they are respectful of the environment and are produced ethically, But how can they really gain the trust of customers when there's no brand story, no promise, no personality behind the products? By building your own brand on Amazon, you enable yourself to give your customers what they are after, even if you aren't the cheapest seller around. Thirdly, Amazon is very aware of this growing trend as well as the importance of maintaining customer trust, which is why they have not only been cracking down on fake reviews, on low-quality generic products that customers rightfully have been disappointed by, but also started selling their own brands in an attempt to leverage Amazon's reputation as a customer-centric brand to keep customers coming to their platform and remove the growing negative reputation that came from these low-quality, brandless products and their waves of fake reviews. What does this mean for you? Well, Amazon is looking for quality brands that can truly deliver quality products that will satisfy their customers and keep them coming to their platform. By building your own brand, you not only increase your perceived value in the eyes of your customers, but you also play the game the way Amazon wants you to play it, which means that the platform will have every reason to promote you and give you exclusive benefits. In a nutshell, there has never been a better time to build strong brands on Amazon and create massive revenues from them while most sellers catch up with this opportunity. Are you ready to learn more about branding and how to create a strong brand? Then, I welcome you to this mini course and I invite you to start lesson 1, where we will look at the definition of brands and branding.